Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. I wish you all happy Christmas and a prosperous new year. So this is another making money online video, and I pray to God that you all gonna make money in the coming year. Yes, that's all I wish. You all will be able to make money online, as uh, it's been a long time that we all been together on building this family together. So guys, I wish you all the best in life and happy new year and a prosperous um happy Christmas to you guys. So this is another making money online video, and I think this is going to help you, and this is the easiest way of making money online. So it's a app development game video that will help you guys to scale in the business of affiliate, and then as compared to CPA and other marketing video. So this is an app development video. So this is basically going to help you guys to make money with app development. So what the reason why I'm doing this video is that it's the easiest way of making money online. You just have to do it once, and you don't have to do the hard work by yourself. This app platform that you're going to submit this game to them are going to do the work for you guys. So now let's go to Quick App Ninja and then create a simple game, as you can see over here. So now if you have your computer, you can go to Quick App Ninja. I'll leave the link in the description below, so you can see you can create a lot of games over here, like fruit word link games and all those stuff. So you can create all these games by yourself. So you can watch tutorials, and because I'm going to show you guys, it's not necessary for you to watch all these tutorials over here. So if you are in hurry to go or scale before us, you can watch the tutorial. So if you are typing, go to your browser and type in quickappninja.com, or you can go back here. Let me go to Google and search for you guys Quick App Ninja. Okay, let me clear this to show you guys. All right, so let me clear the .com section. Yes, so after going to Google, like what you see, click on the first link over here. So you click on that, and it's going to load for us, guys. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling well, so that's why. Now you can see over here where it says, after clicking on that, you see you want to make money creating Android quiz games without coding, so easy without any coding knowledge. So you hit on start now. So the only thing all you have to do is to type in your name, email, and then password to register, or you can use any of the social icons or accounts over here. So if you want it very easy, you can go on with your Google account. So you can see it automatically signed me in. So now what you need to do is to hit on create new game over here. So these are the games type that you can create. You can create a guessing picture games, and then this kind of games that you just have to puzzle games over here, and you can see 4 picture in 1 word. You can also create those games over here. So there are a lot of templates that you can use. Let me bring this thing here. There are a lot of templates that you can use. So let's go for the guess picture game. So what is going to help you to create this kind of games is you are going to use this platform called ChatGPT to do this. All right, so we're going to help ChatGPT is going to help us to do all the hard work, and you're just going to copy and then paste, and with the help of Canva you're going to do everything by yourself. Okay, Canva, you can go ahead with that. So what type of game that are you going to create? You just have to get that in mind. But as for me, I'm going to create this kind of fruit games. All right, so let me go to this section where it says use this template, but you can go to ChatGPT and type in generate or write 50 or 100 just to increase your level. You can increase the question numbers to more than 50 to 100. yes, 50, 100 objectives, questions, and answers on fruits. So what it's going to do is that you're going to generate all the questions, and it's going to help you um, get the answers. So you see, it says it's giving you A, B, C, and D. So you're going to ask ChatGPT to just remove all the A, B, C, and D there to give us, or you can go with the questions. You can see the answer: which fruit is known as the king of fruits? So the answer is mango. So what you are going to do over here, you are going to go to Canva and search for this. Go to the template section over here. All right, so Canva, or you can go online like puzzles.com. That's where you can get copyright free pictures. Puzzles.com to just get any image of fruit. So image fruits, just as just write fruits and then search fruits. So you can see there are a lot of fruit over here, and you must choose according to your taste what you love most. So let's browse through it over here. So we are not going to change the background, we are just going to use only one for the background over here. So let's go, let's search. All right, so with fruits, I think this thing, okay, let me search for another one. Oh, so you can browse through it and then search for what you want. Let me use this strawberry over here. Let me download it. You just have to hit on download. You don't have to do anything. They are going to download it for you, or you can browse through it and then come to this section which says minimum, change the size to, and then select, and then they are going to help you download this picture on your computer. So now it's being downloaded. So let's come to this section, come to this section again, and then create a background. So let's go to Pickup Ninja, select this template over here. So they are going to help you, and then they are going to help you build all this game by yourself. But one thing you need to do is, okay, so you can see over here. So what the reason why I asked you guys to come to this session, just have to select your language, and then can see over here 600 by 600 pixels, just to know the size of the image that they want. So let me search for that and then come to this section. On Canva, what you need to do is to go to this section again and hit on customize size, and then hit on 600 by 600 pixels. So the px means pixels, and then you can change from there to centimeters. So hit on create design. So you hit and create design over here, and then you just have to upload your image. All right, so you just have to upload everything, your image that you downloaded. So just upload it over here. So it's being uploaded, so just click on that, just bring it up over here, and then stretch it to fit the background, or you can click on over here and then search for this and then change it image background to this section, or you can change it to red like what you see right now. And you can go to remove BG over here. Just go to remove BG, remove background. Just remove the background of the image, and then change the background of the image to our preferred one. Yes, so upload image. Just click on that, and then it's going to automatically remove the background section. You don't have to log in or sign up to this account, guys. So it's easy as 1 2 3. So just download it to your computer, come back to Canva again, or if you like, you can just do it this way. Stretch this image to this section again, because you're going to write questions on it. So you can come to the section where it says, and then you're going to add text to this. So the questions are here on ChatGPT. Just copy the questions. Which fruit is known as the king of fruit? So copy the question and come back to Canva again, paste it. Just add your text over here. Add your text to the image. So bring it up here. Just Ctrl V. Alright, so sorry, let me delete this thing. Come to this section. Just let it fit the top section like this. So just have to change the color to white. Alright, so let's check this one out now. The colors are not white. So I have to change it. Just have to select everything, change the color from where it is to pure white. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright, so I think this one is very good for us, and then you can change this words over here. So I'm going to do this just to show you guys everything, and then I'm going to do everything. Alright, so let me change the text again. I think this one is going to be best for us, because okay, so after doing this, you just have to hit on this and then hit on download. So you can change the image number. Just hit on question 1 Q1. See, you share, you hit on download over here, and then let me bring this. You hit on this download button, and it's automatically going to download everything. So I'm going to do everything, and after that I'll bring you the results. Alright, so now guys, I did up to 45 questions and answers. So I'm just going to upload everything over here. So you can see over here bulk image upload. So you just have to click on browse image files, and you can see over here these are the images. So starting from this question 1 to the last question, so we click on that and then hit on shift, and you click on the last one. You can see it's going to select everything automatically. So you just have to hit on that, and right after doing that you have to hit on open. So you see over here is uploading everything over here, so you can see the levels are being uploaded. So what you need to do is to now study the questions, and then you just have to do your research. Just go back to the ChatGPT and upload everything. The answers over here. So now the answers are there. I'm just going to do everything step by step to show you guys. So let's wait for it to upload everything. So you can see start from level 1, which fruit has the hard outer shell. So let's check. This is the last question. That means this is the last question over here. So it starts from the last question to the first question. So go scroll to the bottom side so you can see over here coconut is the answer. So I'm just going to type in, write the correct answer, or yes, just going to type in over here, write the correct answer. And right, I'm going to do over here is that you can see it's being uploading to level 35. Now we are 37, 38 to so you can add up to the your choice. Yes, you can add up to your choice. It doesn't matter anything, you just have to add. You can add to your choice the number of questions that you want, just to increase your level. So you can see over here I have 45, level 45, so the person must play to the level 45. So I can ask ChatGPT to also continue and generate all the questions up to 100 for me. Yes, I can ask, but due to time reasons and due to I just want this tutorial to be very short over here. There's no need for me to continue with it. So you can see which is known as the kind of fruit. So this is the question 1. So I'm going to start it from the top section and type in, write the correct answer. The correct answer over here. So now I'm just going to copy, because I'm going to just copy and paste everything over here. So you see, write the correct answer. I'm going to the last question. This is coconut. I'm just going to copy coconut over here and then paste it over here, V. So what I'm going to do right now is to just select this, write the correct answer over here, just paste it here, just go and then paste it all to the levels, just because I'm just going to copy all the answers from the ChatGPT. So I need to paste everything just to save time. Alright, so now you can see I'm done with the questions tag over here. So let me add this. Alright, so you can see over here I'm done with this. So what I'm going to do is to go to the ChatGPT board and then copy everything, the answers to the question. So I'm going to the section again, ChatGPT. So the next question, the answer is here, which fruit is known as stone fruit. So I'm go back, so which fruit is known as stone fruit. So I just paste the answer here and then go back again. So it's an alphabetic, just like what you see, it starts from the bottom to the top. So let me paste that. Alright guys, so I'm done with the alright guys, so I'm done with the questions. So you can see I'm done with the questions. So now what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and then generate the game. So come to the sound action section. You can add sounds to everything. So whenever somebody gets it right, you're going to can upload your theme over here, like color for your game, and you can add your sound over here. So you can play the sounds or you can upload a sound over here. So these are the default sounds over here. If somebody gets it correct, you can this is a buy coins, and over here and choose a letter. You can upload your sounds to replace all these sounds. Now let's go to the icon section. So this is the icon for us being generated, and you can, this is the current one over here, and you can see this is going to be very good for Google Play Store. If you see it over here, it's very good for Google Play Store. So it's basically going to be very good for us. So let's check this one too over here. All right, so I think this one, I love to use this one, use the current one. This is what the current one. And all right, let me bring this here. You can see, guess my game names picture. What we are going to do right now is to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, the study of fruit in science is what? What is the name given to the study of fruit? Given, sorry, I press F11 again. I'm not here to inspect anything. So given, what is the name given to the study of fruits in science? Let's check the answer that ChatGPT will give it to us. So let's go to the bottom section. So pomology. Okay, so scientific study of fruit is called pomology. So copy that and come to the app section. So game name, design type over here is a team, content type. All right, the icon and settings. So this is how you're going to place your game name over here. So paste it over here, pomology game. All right, or you can ask ChatGPT also to suggest a best name for your game in the study of fruits. All right, so after asking ChatGPT for this question, you can see Fruit Quest, Pomology, Pursuit, Fruitopia, Challenge, Juicy Genius, Harvest Hustle, Fruity, the Fruity Tail, the Accord, Odyssey, Berry Smart, Citrus Clash, and all those stuff. So let me use Fruit Quest as a game name over here. So let me copy that and come to game name, paste it over here. This is my email for in case I want to support an amount of letters. So let's choose 18. So amount of letters from which gamer will guess answer. So let's choose 15 or 16. Let's choose the maximum one as 18. And this is where you can paste your game URL. You can copy it over here and come to redirect all those tabs. These are not important. So this is where it becomes very important for us. So insert AdMob publisher ID in order to comply the rules and all those stuff. So you need to log into your AdMob. So what is AdMob? Google AdMob helps app developers to make money from their games. So it's like Google AdSense. So let me go to Google AdMob, and then this AdMob, this is their logo over here. So I'm just going to log into my account and then show you guys. Alright, so on your AdMob account, all you need to use to hit on settings tab and come to account section over here, and with it you can see your publisher's ID. So it says you should add AdMob publisher's ID. So let's go back to the session and copy our publisher's ID. It starts with PUB. Okay, so let's copy that and come to this session again to paste it over here. So now this is it. So let's move to the monetization section. So this is the monetization section. So you can see Google AdMob by Google. So we are going to use that. So you just have to search over here. So in order to activate AdMob monetization, you must enable AdMob connector at the form below. So hit on OK. So you can see you just have to paste your AdMob app ID over here, and your banner ad ID over here. So this is basically going to be very simple for you guys over here. So now let me click on that. So what I'm going to do right now is to copy over here, come to this section. So what, before you can add your app to Google AdMob, you before you're gonna get your this thing, your publishers, banner ads and all those stuff, you need to add your app to AdMob before. So never click on the ads on your own games. It results in the termination of your AdMob account, in lifetime ban from any Google AdSense programs, and the loss of your earnings. So you just have to be very careful with it. So connect your AdMob account to track all your earnings, AdMob Ninja and all those stuff. So you just have to add our app. So what you are going to do is over here is to create on generate game over here. So you need to no thanks. So you see your game will be generated in 15 minutes. So let's wait for 15 minutes and the game will be ready for us to download. As simple as that. Alright, so now this video is still uploading. They are still dealing with it. So you can see over here it says steps, 3 steps for you to assess your success. So they are now generating the game over here. So you can see the game is still generating, and let me click on back session over here. So whenever it's done, they are going to allow me to download everything over here. So one thing I love about this platform is that before you can upload your game onto all the platforms, you need certain things before. So one thing I love about these people is that, do you want to know the APK file, how know what an APK file is? So this is basically for APK file, but the most interesting part is that they are going to allow you give you screenshots of your game, banners and all your icons and all those stuff. So they are going to do all this thing for you in order for you to become easy on uploading on Google Play Store. So it's basically easy. So let's go to Google Play Store and check something. Google Play Store. Alright, so let's go to Google Play Store and check something. So now we are on Google Play Store. Alright, so now we are on Google Play Store, and whenever you click on the game, like phone app game like this, and let me click on this one over here. So one thing you see or notice on this platform is that you're going to get an icon like this, and then you can see over here pictures of your game and all those stuff. So these people are going to help you do all this work as easy as that. So they're going to give you all these things as easy as that, so you don't have to struggle and do all these things manually. So let me refresh whether the game is ready or not. Let me refresh again to check over here, and come to this session again to check my email. Whenever they are ready, they will send you an email that your game is ready for you to download. So this is how we create an app with this platform, Quick App Ninja. You can go out there, create an app or a game like this and upload to Google Play Store. So in my next video, I'll show you guys how to upload your game to Google Play Store. So this person has gotten 1 billion plus downloads over here. So let's go to this platform. Like let me switch to another Google AdMob account, like what you see. Let me go to Google AdMob to do their calculations for them, you guys. So we are going to calculate everything over here. So we are not going to log in straight to Google AdMob, but we are going to do calculations. They have their calculator, I think, at the bottom section. Yes, I think they have some calculator over here that you can use to calculate your earnings. Alright, so let me check whether I can find this calculator. So you can see, you select your region, like whenever you get Middle East, you get an Android and you select a category like this, a game, you can calculate over here how much you're going to earn. You're going to earn like $690. So let's check. This is 10 million views, and you can see the person has gotten over 1 billion downloads so far. So you can see over here, this game developer has gotten 1 billion downloads so far, and you can see the ratings over here. It's almost 10.9 million reviews over here. So that means that this person is making a lot of money, even more than what we calculated. So let me go back to this session again. Let me come to this session. So you can see 10 million is giving you $139,000 over here. That means this person has made a lot. So you can check everything, calculate everything before you join this platform. So it's easy for you to develop an app like Quick App Ninja. No coding method or no coding language or no coding ideas. You can still create a game with this platform. So whenever they are ready, they are going to send you the game, and what you need to do is to download download the APK file and upload to Google Play Store and Amazon App Store, and you are free to go. So that is it. So this is a free course. So guys, if you have anything concerning what I've taught you, you can leave that in the description, the comment section, and like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube is going to send notifications. So far the game is still we are still on it. So I was just waiting for it to finish, and then I'll add my ad unit to it, guys. So one thing you need to do is to go to the section where it says apps over here, and then come to the section where it says add app over here, and then I'm going to show you guys how to add an app. So if your app is already published, so you can see the platform. So it's an Android app over here, and they're supported. If you have already uploaded it somewhere, you're going to click yes over here. So now we have not uploaded anything on any platform, so you're gonna click on no and then hit on continue. You need to type in your app name over here, like what you see. Let's go back to ChatGPT. This is the name, Fruit Quest over here. Now let's go to AdMob and then paste it right over here and hit on add app. So now you see you've successfully added it. So you're gonna come to the section where it says done. So one thing that we are going to do right now is to go ahead and then add your ad units over here. So you can see add unit over here. That is it. That's how you're going to be able to earn with this platform. So you can see after adding your ad unit, you're going to review your account, and your account will be approved, and it will show ready. Like I have a game over here that is ready over here. So you can see the games I've already added to this platform. You can go out there, do the same, and then make money with this. So the reason why this is showing 0, that means this is not ready. So you can see requires review. So after adding your ad unit, this app they will review your app, and then after everything, your app will be published anywhere, and you're gonna be making money out of that. So after that, you can go to app settings over here, and if your app is being linked to any services, you can also go out there to after it's being ready, you can go out, come back to this platform. Let's check it that you've added your app to App Store or any store like Google Play Store. You can add it over here. They have some code, so you just have to search for your game over here, and then you hit on the kind of platform you've added your game to. So if your app is available on Google Play Store, you can add it over here, search for your game over here, and then the game will appear. So you see Google Play, you search for your game, and the game will be available over here. And if your game is not available here, you can go out there and search for, let's take it that your game is available on Amazon App Store. you can just select that and then hit on continue, and you add your details to it, and that is how you're going to make money with this. So that is it, guys. Now let's check if the game is ready or not. So let me refresh once again to check if the game is ready. If not ready, then I'll quit this tutorial and then show you guys everything step by step in my next video. So if you want me to show you guys how to create an account on any of these Google Play Store and Amazon App Store, you can leave that in the comment section. I'll be there to help you, and then I promise my next video I'll show you guys how to create this kind of account. I have a video, but the audio wasn't good, so I'll just record the video again and then publish on the site for you guys to replicate everything and make money online. So subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube certification instantly, guys. So I'm not going to edit any of the video. I'm just going to add the subscription button to the video just to leave it like a full course, and like that you people are going to be able to replicate everything, know everything that I did in order for you to make money with this app development. This is the easiest way of making money online. And thank you very much for your time, and always remember, I do love you guys. Merry Christmas to you all, and I wish you all Happy New Year.